Welcome to the sweet world of sugar production. Today we're going to take a journey from the fields to the factory and explore how sugarcane is transformed into the sweet stuff we all know and love. Let's get started. It all begins with the harvesting of sugarcane. Farmers carefully select mature stalks, which are then cut and collected into large bundles. These bundles are transported to the factory for processing. At the factory, the sugarcane is crushed to extract the juice, which contains sucrose. This juice is then mixed with water to create a sweet liquid called juice extract. The juice extract is then heated in large vats to remove impurities and excess water. This process is called clarification. The resulting liquid is clearer and sweeter than ever before. Next, the clarified juice is boiled until the water content is reduced. And sugar crystals start to form. These crystals are then separated from the molasses, a thick, dark liquid using centrifuges. And that's it. The sugar is now ready to be packaged and distributed to stores around the world. From baking sweet treats to adding a touch of sweetness to our daily lives, sugar from sugarcane is an integral part of many cultures. Thanks for joining me on this journey of how sugar is made.